Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a GoPro Max 360 camera. I'm really excited about this. I've got a video that I need to shoot for my other channel, which is Borsellino Carpentry. I'll put a link for that down in the description. And I'm going to be doing a snow plowing video tonight. And I want to use my 360 camera. So I've got a large pipe mount, or whatever it's called, made by GoPro, that is already mounted to the ladder rack on my truck, and I've been using my GoPro Hero 8 with that, so I've got some videos that I've already done with that if you want to check them out. I'll put a link for one of those videos down in the description, but this is going to be cool because I'll be able to swing the camera around in any direction in editing, versus with this, wherever you point the camera, that's what you get. So it's pretty neat. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's open this thing up and start seeing what it's like. Got a little pull tab on the bottom. Oh, that was nice. And it comes in a case, which I didn't know it was going to come in a case. I actually already own this GoPro case, and I just bought a new one. So had I known it was going to come in its own case, I probably wouldn't have bought another one. Oh well, you live and learn. Let's check this out. So open up the case. There we go. We've got a bag that has little covers. So the little covers for the lenses. Kind of hard to get them in there. There's one for each side, and just a bag for it. Got a charging cable, single battery. There's only one battery and there's no charger. So separately, I purchased a charger and 2 batteries, so that I always have 1 battery in and 2 extras for backups. And it comes with a regular GoPro mount, and it comes with a sticky curved mount for like putting it on a helmet or something, and a screw for the mount, and of course the camera itself, which has got an interesting little wrapper on it. So let's pull that off. There we go. So there we go, there's the camera. It's got little rubber doodly dads popping them on there. I don't know how you get them off. They're like on there. I don't have fingernails because I chew them off. So. Oh, they're like really on there. So that's kind of good that they're really on there, but it's also like hard to get them on and off. And they're like a really kind of durable plasticky rubber material. And then there's the camera itself. So let me pull the little plastic off on the back. It looks like that's about it. And it's got the little feet on the bottom that you can pull out and mount to any GoPro mount. There it is. I'm assuming that is a microphone. And then on the other side, I'm assuming that is also a microphone. On the top is the record button. So looking at the front, on the side looks like another microphone and the power button. And then on the other side is the door. So let's open up the door, see how that works. Oh, okay. Oh, works like that. Okay. So it works a little bit different than the other doors. On my Hero 8, it's a little latch down here, and you pull that out. This one has like a little latch, and you pull the latch down. So here's what that looks like. You just pull that latch down and the whole door comes down, and then that flips open like that. Now on the other ones, the door comes off. This does not look like the door comes off. So right on the top there's a little slot. That's where the mini SD card goes. Then you've got a charging port right there, and of course the battery right there. Now you're going to want to check prices around everywhere for these. They're going to be different. I'll put a link down below for GoPro as well as for Amazon for some links for these. I got this directly from GoPro, and their price is normally $499.99. Right now it's on sale for $399.99, but it's not really on sale. You have to sign up for the GoPro subscription, which I did. I signed up for a year, and then basically if I break the camera, you know, it's a $500 camera, you can get a new one for, I think it's $100 instead of having to pay the $500. You also get, I think it's 20% off, 10 or 20% off on accessories. So I did buy this case, And I bought those batteries and the charger, and I bought a clamp. So I got a whole bunch of stuff, and it was all on sale because I have this GoPro subscription service. Now, if you go to Amazon, you can get it for $429.99 without signing up for the GoPro subscription service and save yourself 80 bucks. So I'll put a link for that down in the description. And if you use my Amazon link, you can help support this channel by making a purchase. I am an Amazon affiliate. It's also got some handy booklets here. Oh, some stickers. All right. All right, we'll get to this in a second. And then here's the case. It had this little plastic thing in it that had all the stuff in it. You pull that out, now you got this nice case. There's no dividers or anything, so everything just kind of fits loosely in here. That's why I like this other case you can get from GoPro. It has dividers in it, so you can put your camera. I'm gonna use this for my cameras. So I'll have my GoPro Hero 8, my Max, and then I'll have batteries and maybe bring a charger with me, and some accessories will just fill up this whole space. And then they also give you this little pouch to put stuff in and a little flap up here. So lots of great stuff from GoPro. All right, I'm gonna throw this new battery on the charger, and I've got the other batteries already charged and ready to go. So I'm gonna put that in there. But yeah, they also did send me a 64 gigabyte memory card. I'm actually going to use this in my Hero 8, and I'm going to use the 128 gigabyte that's in that in the Hero Max, because I have a feeling these files are going to be way bigger than they are on the regular GoPro, because you're capturing 360 degrees. So to do that, I'm going to put that memory card in over there. I'm going to have to do this and then show you where it goes. Hopefully you can see that memory card right there. It's not in yet. I'm going to push it and it's going to click. Like that, and it'll stay down in there. And then the battery goes in like this. Boom. It only goes in one way. You can't get it wrong or the door won't close. So like that. And we're going to shut the door, slide it back, and then you got to make sure to lock it so that it's closed. All right, and then I'm going to power it on and see what happens. Alright, so it's just showing me the little GoPro thing here. I gotta set it up. Asking me what language, English, legal stuff. We all just agree, right? GPS. Do we want to turn on the GPS? Yeah, sure, we'll turn the GPS on. The GoPro app. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and then follow the app instructions. Now, I've already got the GoPro Quik app on my phone, but it's paired with my other GoPro, so I'm curious to see how this is going to work. So I'm just going to open up the app and go to GoPro, and GoPro Hero 8 not found. Let's see here. At the top there's a little camera plus sign. Let's see what happens if I do that. Searching for camera and see if it works. We found your GoPro. And it's got the Max right there, so I'm going to connect that. Pairing. Ooh, that beeped, so we're good to go. And this is still connecting over here. Change the camera name. Nix GoPro Max. Oh, 8 to 32 characters, no special characters. So I'm just going to make it Nick GoPro Max. Waiting. Your Max is ready! Let's go. Upload your footage to the cloud while charging. Nah, I don't want to do that. Do it later. All right. So now I guess we're all set up. We're ready to go. We got to figure out how to use this thing. Let's see here. Cool. So it seems like it's ready to go. It's basically the same functionality as my other GoPro. You just push all the little buttons on here and you're good to go. Of course, you can always control it through the app. What's very interesting about this is when I move my phone, it changes how I'm looking through the camera, right? So I'm moving the camera around and it's moving that around. But then when I move this, it's not keeping the image the same on the phone. That is really weird. Super weird. Weird! I wish you could see that. It's crazy. Can move it all around, being all crazy. Wild. Alright, let's back out of that. All right, so I'm ready to shoot some test footage. You can change it right on here. That button right there at the bottom corner, you can change it between 360 mode and hero mode. So hero mode just uses it like a regular GoPro, and you just use the one camera. The 360 mode uses both cameras at the same time and does all that. There's also, I believe, like a vlogging mode where you can do both cameras at the same time, but 2 separate videos. I'm not 100% sure though. Don't take my word on that. Now, this button on the bottom here, you can see I can switch between the front and back lens. So right now you can see me, and if I flip it around, you'll see my camera. So that's kind of cool that I can shoot selfies, you know, like I can do a video like this and shoot myself like that. So that's pretty neat. All right, so now it's time to go out and play with it. I'm not going to get into recording and editing right now. It's actually not true. I've got some test footage coming up in a minute, so hang on. But I will say I do already own the GoPro El Grande stick, which if you've seen videos of these, you use the stick and then in editing, GoPro, it just knows how to get rid of this somehow. You don't see the stick in the video. I don't know how they do it. It's insane. So I'm really excited to give this a try tonight, and I will let you know in a future video how it goes. Like I said, you can always check on my other channel for when the new video comes out with this. We got Winter Storm Izzy coming in tonight. Should be snowing here any minute, and I'll be getting out to plow tonight, and I'm going to try this out. So I'll let you know. All right, so just editing this video, I realized I didn't say that there was going to be test footage. So here's some test footage from that night when I recorded all. This is a test in 360 mode. I'm not moving the camera around. I'm going to do it all in post. So we'll see what happens when that all gets moved around. What do you think? This is a test in 360 mode. I'm not moving the camera around. I'm going to do it all in post. So we'll see what happens when that all gets moved around. What do you think? This is a test in 360 mode. I'm not moving the camera around. I'm going to do it all in post. So we'll see what happens when that all gets moved around. What do you think? This is a test in 360 mode. I'm not moving the camera around. I'm going to do it all in post. So we'll see what happens when that all gets moved around. What do you think? Okay, I'm going to try to do a little walking around video in 360 also. So that was pretty cool. I'm moving the camera all around, making it do all that stuff. The camera is fixed in one position, and when you go to edit it, it just looks ahead, and then you do all the editing and make it do all the crazy stuff. So it's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to playing with it a lot more. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and cool stuff like this, and I'll see you on the next video.